American Express Platinum versus Chase Sapphire Reserve. If you're debating between the American Express Platinum and the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you're probably asking, what do you actually get for that extra $145 in annual fees? The American Express Platinum charges $695 a year, and it's packed with luxury perks. You get access to Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, and Priority Pass. There are also hundreds of dollars in credits, Uber, hotel stays, digital entertainment, Walmart Plus, and more. But to really benefit, you need to use almost all of them, and points earn best through Amex travel bookings, so you're kind of locked into their system. The Chase Sapphire Reserve comes in at $550 per year and is way more flexible. You get Priority Pass lounge access, a $300 annual travel credit that applies automatically, and strong travel protections. You also earn 3x points on dining and travel, no portal required. And Ultimate Rewards points are super easy to redeem or transfer.